Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My project for today is this small glass heart box. Let's create. First, to the sketchbook for dimensions. Next, I took a glass sheet, glass cutter, and a sanding disc and got all the required glass cuts with smoothed edges. Here, you will see me use silicone to glue the glass pieces and make a box. While this dries, which is 24 hours, I made two tiny hinges for the glass box. I made two tiny hinges for the glass box. I have made the same in one of my previous projects. I'll add a tab to that video on top right corner of this one. And I also painted the glass heart lid for our box. Now to fill this tiny glass heart box, I made even tinier stars of different color craft paper. With the glass box completely dried, all the stars ready and lid done as well, I glued the lid and hinges on the box. And here is my today's project, a glass heart box. Guys, it's a pleasure to share my work with you all. Would appreciate your likes, shares and subscriptions to my channel. You can also check out my work on Instagram at creativeheadhm. Guys, do take care. Love and light. We'll see you soon. Bye.